那我们就来看看音效的部分。直接点封面的时候，它就会把整本书讲过一次。
Honey English Picture Book.
I love my mom. Story time.
When I'm looking at a picture book with my mom, I love Mom. Wow, interesting. Swinging, swinging, dancing with my mom. Swinging. Yahoo! It's fun!
它如果是点单页的话，
When I'm looking at a picture book
就
with
会
my
只
mom,
出现这一页的内容。
I love Mom. Honey English Picture Book.
Son, please wake up now. Story time. The sun is sleeping now. Son, please wake up. It's morning. The sun is shining. Let's all get up. Sun, cheer up. The sun is climbing to the top of the sky. Yoo-hoo! It's noontime. Let's play.
Honey English Picture Book.
Let's sing a song together. Story time. Animals voice contest. Animals are showing off their voices. Whose voice is the best among them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 chicks are singing a song. Cheep,